Hello and welcome. How to change Google Chrome background. Let's begin. Click on Customize and control Google Chrome 3 dots icon in the top right corner. In the drop-down list, click Settings. Click on Appearance. Click Themes in the Appearance page. You will find many theme here. Click on theme that you want. Click Add to Chrome button, and you will see that the background of Google Chrome has been changed by selected theme. If you want to remove the theme, click Remove or Undo here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. See you in next video.